Okay, started recording now. Okay, let's say that I'm going to draw something here. Okay, something, some image, whatever, some kind of drawing or anything. Brushes. Let's use this kind of brush and let's change the color to some other color. Okay, then let's save this file. Save as, I'm going to save this file as in the desktop. I'm going to save as, okay, untitled, same name, I'm going to save. Okay, now let's close this. If I go to this file, right click and go to properties, what is the type of this file?
PNG.
It is PNG.
PNG.
Yes, it's PNG. Now I have three file types. The first one, text file, was TXT. This pictures file, this was BAT. This file is PNG. Let's create another file. I'm going to create another file. And this time I'm going to create rich text document, RT, rich text document. So then I'm going to right click and find properties.
PowerPoint, Excel,
Yeah, because
Word.
you have installed it. ඔයාගේ install කරලානේ තියෙන පුතේ ඒවා. දැන් මගේ computer එකේ ඒවා install කරලා නැහැ. I'm using a remote computer in Google Cloud. I have not installed that. That's why you cannot see. Here, see here. Rich text document is RTF. ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ right click කරා මේ new Word document, new Excel sheet, new PowerPoint. ඒ ඔක්කොම එනවනේ.
Yes, sir.
You will get that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Here RTF. Okay, create a PowerPoint document and tell me the file type.
Okay, sir.
Create a PowerPoint document and tell me the file type. Right.
PPTX.
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 TX.
Yes, PPTX. Excel file.
PPTX.
Good.
Excel.
Excel file.
Excel file dot XLSX.
Excel SS.
Excel
Right, this is very important, right? Very important.
Excel SX.
Yes, good. So this is very important. I'll teach you one trick, right? Because I have not given this to grade 7 Sinhala medium. That's why I'm worrying. So then the two classes in two levels. So, but anyway, so I'll cover this to them later, right? මට සිංහල මීඩියම් එකේ කරන්න මදි වුණා ටයිම් එකේ. So let's go to Google. I'm going to Google. You can also do this with me. Go to Google. And then, okay, then search. Okay, let's search. Okay, let's search like, I want to know about moon, or let's say, I just want to know about Sigiriya. Okay, just wait, right? Okay, when you search like this, whatever you get is a PowerPoint presentation. You get PowerPoint presentations only. So that is the beauty of this. You will get PowerPoint presentations only, nothing else. All the search results, you can see PowerPoint presentations. Click one of these and you can see a presentation will download it. You have to type the exact same.
Yes, sir. Then yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then it starts to download.
Yes, It's all about the presentations. So that's why the file type is very important. Please remember the extension. Extension is very important to search. When you search from the extension, Google will even search all the PowerPoint. If you make this like DOCX, what will happen? It will list all the Word document. It will list all the Word documents. Okay. Found the results? Not.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then with that, actually, I'm going to stop for today. So today it's a very bad climate. Sorry for that. And it seems my signal strength is very, very low today due to this climate. And that's why time to time it get disconnected. And anyway, so please, I'll upload the questions. I'll upload the related questions today today or tomorrow to your Edmodo. So for the things that we have completed during this year, 2020, but we have done only a few, right? So we have completed chapter number 1 and some of the chapters, actually not more, chapter number 1 and few topics in chapter number 2. The questions will come from that area. Questions will come from that area. Please complete that because the mark will be added to the progress report. Right? Marks will be added to the progress report. So please complete that. Okay, then.
I'll send you a
Okay, let's see you on next day. Next week is anyway holiday. After next week, let's see in January. But before that, please complete the.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Goodbye. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir. Thank you,
I
sir.
send you a message.